And today, special thanks to our friends at Vancasso who were nice enough to send us the 6-piece mug set. So there is 6 different mugs inside of this nice box. You can see the sticker there. So let's open it up, see what we're working with. All right, what we got? What do we got? Foam on top here. Whoa, my wife has new coffee mugs. 6 of these. Whoa, very nice. It's like textured feeling. They're of course dishwasher, microwave safe, etc. Nice handle. Wow, these are some nice mugs. My wife is gonna love these. I think all 6 are the same. Let's see. 1, yep, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's it for the box. So yes, 6 Vancasso coffee mugs. Every Vancasso product is just well made, truly feels just strong and like a great product. I love everything they have sent me, to the point that our whole kitchen is turning into Vancasso items. So thanks again to Vancasso for sending me these mugs. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.